Hey everyone! Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the Brow Bar brow set, and I'm going to do a demonstration about how I use it and what I think about it. So today we're just doing a review and a show about what it is. So I will see you in the video. Okay. So I got the Brow Bar in my Birchbox, and it comes in this gold packaging. Now my only problem with it is, of course, because it's shiny, you get like a bajillion fingerprints on there. I'm pretty sure you can see if it's not blind in the camera. But I do like it. It comes with a little mirror, which is, it's okay. I mean, it's not super helpful. It is really cloudy. It doesn't, or it might have a film on it, I'm not sure. If you didn't have any tools with you and you're on the go, it comes with this double-ended, one side being flat, one side being angled. But it is hard to use this. So what I normally do is I just grab a angled brush and I kind of just use it. So, and then this is just gel, clear gel. So you have the light and the dark shade colors on it. Excuse me. There we go. Okay, so we have the light and the dark shade colors right here, and then this one is like, so you can carve it out and make sure it looks nicer. So what I normally do is I tap into the darker shade, and then I'm just gonna grab a random mirror, and then I'll start making sure that the angle is like that on the brush, and I'll start forming a line underneath where I want it to be. Now for this, it's not exactly my particular shade, but it does go pretty well. And then for the front, what I do is I normally grab the lighter shade and kind of do a line area there and like brush upward, filling it in a little bit there. And then I'm going to go over this with the spoolie later. And then to try to get shape, because my eyebrows to me doesn't necessarily have much of a shape, so I'll take and then just kind of go like that, just to kind of get a generalized shape so I can see it and everything like that. And then I will just run whatever's on the brush through the rest, kind of pulling from those lines to soften them up. And then when I get kind of to a point where I'm happy about it, where did that darn brush go? Hold on, I gotta find a spoolie. There we go. Okay. Let's do a chair. Alright, so when I get to a point, I just take a spoolie and I kind of just go over it, brush my hairs into the areas I want. Normally at this point I kind of check to make sure like here doesn't have any like random hairs, and I'm pretty sure I do because I can see one, but I normally pluck those and stuff like that. And then what I do is I take the little flat part, this one, and I just dip it into that, I'm guessing it's like a concealer or something. And I just kind of carve out the brow area like this. And then I'll run it across the top. And then dip back in as needed. And then I kind of blend it out a little bit more. It's going to be noticeable when you don't have like foundation on. This is definitely one of those things where you kind of want to almost do it with foundation on first, or put it on afterwards. And then I also kind of run a flat line just to kind of square that off. But I just take this and kind of softly run that around, framing it out a little bit. And I'm only going to do one. So I do that. I don't know if you can see it. I'll get a little better. So there's that. And then normally what I do after all that's said and done is I take like the brown gel, and it just comes clear. And then I just kind of brush upward for the front and then over and down. Just kind of shaping it a little bit more to where I want it to be. And then of course you gotta like let that dry. But then yeah, that's pretty much the brow, that I get most of the time. Sometimes I can get a better shape, sometimes I can't. But I would say all in all, I really do like the product. It is very pigmented, it blends really easily, it's very soft. I haven't had any like issues using the product really, I mean other than my own lack of experience, because I don't normally do my brows because I've never really learned how. But I figured since I got this, I would try and learn how, because I can't do the pretty, like perfect brow that you see on all these other people, but I mean it's a learning experience, so hey, it's pretty cool, it's fun. But I do like how it does blend in with, my hair, and you can't just like see it normally. But yeah, my thoughts and opinions on this, it is a good buy. I would get this if you wanted to just do a nice soft, powdered brow look. If you didn't want to commit to buying a separate gel and a separate powder and a separate, this, and this is a nice little kit to get and everything. I am not entirely sure what the cost of this was. Like I said, it did come in my BoxyCharm box, but I'm pretty sure you can go to like a website that has this, or BoxyCharm even, if they have it at that time. You may be able to find it somewhere else, but this I would say is definitely a worthwhile item. So if you could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be very appreciated. I hope that I answered any questions that I had, because I did have some viewers ask me what I thought about it. I mean, for my limited experience with doing brows, I like it a lot, but if you have any more comments, or if you have any tips of how to do your brows better, or how to maybe shape your brows or anything like that, just go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. And, just let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. Maybe explain to me a better way to do my brows, because they're different shapes to me. So, all the help is better than no help at all. But I'll see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and the bell notification right next to it as well. Bye, guys. Yeah.